In this episode, we repair the outside shower and polish all the railings on the boat.
What are you doing?
Trying to put this back together.
What is that?
That's our shower.
The shower.
I can fill my suit with some hot water before I jump off, because it's getting cold. I got it off, but I ain't had much luck getting it back on.
Did you get it cleaned off?
Oh yeah. Soaked it in that descaler.
Oh, you did?
Everything came out.
Yeah, good.
You even cleaned the chrome up. Surprised it didn't need the chrome off.
Yeah.
This is not going in here.
Is that the same thing that was on there?
Yep.
That's weird.
Try the cold water.
What do you like about this little shower right here?
I can fill my suit up with hot water before I get into the icy cold of the winter wonderland. It's not a wonder. I don't want to wonder.
No. Just want to stay warm.
Yeah, just enough to preheat the suit, you know. Gotta get a little preheat going on.
Yeah, that'll be nice to be able to use that shower again. Well, let's at least test the hot water, make sure it works.
Can you turn the water pressure on?
Oh, yeah. Still nothing? Neither one?
Nope.
What did you soak?
Everything.
What? You got water now. Is it leaking out of there though? Looks like it's leaking out of there.
Can you turn the water pressure back off?
Turn it off?
Yeah.
Alright. What happened there?
Like,
Something wrong with that?
yeah, something's not right.
Hmm.
Just turn the water off for a minute.
Alright. I'm going back up the stairs again. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tell the camera you got it.
Grr.
Glad it works now. Now we can...
You had to, because it was fearing what was coming next.
Yeah. Being replaced.
Being thrown into the ocean
Oh.
at a high rate of speed.
Artificial reef. I'm glad we got it. Huh?
I mean, it's real metal. It's really a nice faucet.
Yeah, I like it.
I thought it was a cheap piece of junk when I first saw it, but I took it to clean it. It's solid, you know, brass
Yes.
covered in chrome.
Yeah, so we want to keep that one then. It's a good one. Sweet. You got water pressure? Oh yeah.
We never had pressure like that before.
No. Is it nice and hot too? You know what kind of sprayer that is?
Bidet.
Yeah. Because that's the only sprayer that would fit on there, on that hose.
What size hose is this?
I have no idea. A bidet size hose?
I guess.
Today I'm cleaning up all of the stainless steel railing and stainless steel cleats and everything else clean this stainless steel on the boat. It's looking pretty rough. I actually did one side already. There's some areas where it looks like the stainless has been scratched up a little bit and it's starting to rust. And these fenders, this little holder for the fenders. We were thinking about just getting rid of that and putting seats there instead, but I don't know, I think I might clean them up too. Now this other side, this is the side I did already, and you can see the difference. I didn't do the fender holder, I don't know if that's what that's called. I didn't do that over here, but I did do one small section of it, and you could see how well it was cleaned up. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm gonna go ahead and work on this other side now. This is what I'm using. Brasso. I think I got it at Home Depot. You just shake it, put some on a rag, polish it, and then wipe it off with a clean rag. It's pretty simple. Can you see this? Right here. Watch this. And then once you get all the rest off, just wipe it off with a clean rag. See, doesn't that look nice? There's some dents right here, but look how nice that looks. Well, look at the difference here.